Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back? Cause baby, it's the everything for me. They loving the crew, oh they loving the crew, oh they loving the crew, they loving the crew.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and as you can see, they sent me this beautiful and probably one of the most naturalistic wig I've ever worked with. Honestly, it's giving natural hair, it's giving it's growing from my scalp, and it's definitely giving it's mine. I don't remember the texture of this hair. I think it's kinky curly, or either kinky curly or some spring curl or jerry curl, one of those curls. I don't remember, please do not quote me, but like always, the description of the wig will be down in the description box. If you guys want to know the actual name of the curl, it will be down in the description box. But before I jump into the installation of the wig and how I got the wig to look like this, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So this is the Luvmehair box. Inside the box, they sent me some Luvmehair clip, some comb, some headband. This is like their hair care guide and like a membership guide or something that you can get rewards from. They sent me some stocking cap and they sent me the bag to put the wig in when you're done wearing it. As for this wig, like I said, I don't remember the exact name or the texture, but honestly guys, this hair was very beautiful. It was giving. It did not shed. I really thought it was going to shed more. It did not, and I really love it. And the thing is, this wig can actually get bigger. The more you pick it and the more you play around with it, you can actually shape it how you want. You can cut off some if you want, but you can definitely turn it into how a natural curly hair would look if it was supposed to actually grow from my scalp. I really love this wig, honestly. It really feels like, or looks like, it is my natural hair. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, how the wig looked when it just came outside the package, and everything that I did to get this look, then definitely keep on.
My killers don't tell. Shut down my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go try and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. But I want you. I never listened, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The link to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. I do have a coupon code. It is also down below as well, so definitely check it out if you want some money off. But again, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.